What do you do if Windows is completely frozen or won't boot up at all? You can't click the start menu, so how do you fix it? Don't panic. Locate the physical power button on your computer. Press it and keep holding it down for a full 10 seconds until the machine completely dies. Now turn it back on. The moment you see your computer's logo pop up on the screen, press and hold that power button down again to force it to shut off. Repeat this process 3 times. On the fourth time, just turn it on and let it load. You will see a message that says preparing automatic repair. Windows realizes something is wrong and will automatically open this blue recovery screen. Click Advanced Options, and now you can access the tools to fix your PC. Click Troubleshoot. From here, you can launch Startup Repair, open a command prompt to run deep diagnostics, or boot straight into your UEFI BIOS settings to configure your hardware. This is the first tool every IT admin needs to master. Subscribe for day 2.